Hi, this is Joseph Gallegos, Great for Green. We're here at Community Healing Gardens in the city of Los Angeles, Watts area. In the Watts area, we found that there was a kind of a food desert, and what's happened is Community Healing Gardens, which is a nonprofit organization, what they've done is created this whole urban food forest. And they're showing the kids how to grow their own vegetables, how to grow their own fruits. For our part, what we've done is we actually contributed the irrigation system. At one point, the executive director asked, hey, we need help with our irrigation. And we raised our hand and said, yeah, we'll help out, because we had just came out with the Aquifer Pipe. Aquifer Pipe is a new irrigation technology, meaning that it's the way to apply water. We emphasize a lot with Greywater, but in this particular project, we're not using Greywater. We're using potable water. It's just that it's being applied subsurfacely, so that you're not losing it a lot to evaporation. It's not getting all over the ground to cause weed germination. It's just a more efficient way to apply water, is to utilize it with the Aquifer Pipe to create that subsurface moisture plume where the roots need it. Not at the surface, but down there in the roots where they can absorb it, take it up and enjoy it and grow nice, healthy and lush. We're actually getting feedback from the farmers of how well the plants are doing, getting increased crop production on the tomatoes, the carrots, corn, just across the board. As you can see, we got plenty of basil growing up, tomatillo. I'm seeing a bunch of bees. I don't even be able to see that on the camera, but we're seeing some great pollinators. Right over on this other side, we're seeing nice bushes of tomatoes starting to pop up all over. What's really nice is that it's also cutting down on the weed growth, because everything's applied subsurfacely, so you don't have weed germination on the top surface. To our surprise, we actually see that it has potential for organic farmers, because that's one of the biggest problems with organic farmers is the weeding between the crops. It's a big labor intensive practice that they have to deal with. So when we take this now out to the agricultural production lines, that's going to be one of the main things we're going to be looking for, is how we can cut down on the weed within the organic growing scenario. We really feel great about being part of this project. Being part of a partner with Community Healing Gardens and Lacey, which is Los Angeles Clean Incubator. It's been enabled for us to give back to the community, share our results with people who can really make a difference, and just the feeling that you're giving back instead of just taking. So